Welcome to EdbMails, NSF to PST Export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails NSF to PST Converter lets you effortlessly export your offline IBM Lotus Notes NSF files to Outlook PST format. The software allows you to preview your data before initiating the export process, ensuring you can verify your emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and folder structures. Additionally, EdbMails gives you the option to apply filters to refine the export, such as selecting specific date ranges or excluding certain folders or attachments, offering you full control over the export operation. For users with large offline NSF files, the tool offers an option to split the PST file into smaller, manageable parts. This ensures that each PST file remains within the recommended size limit for Outlook, preventing any performance issues or data corruption. You can customize the size of each split PST file, ensuring smooth access to your data in Outlook. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to export NSF file to PST file. To export from NSF to PST, ensure that IBM Lotus Notes is installed on your computer. Additionally, Microsoft Outlook must be installed and properly configured with a valid profile to complete the export process successfully.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select NSF Export and Migration. Select the NSF to PST. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add Files. Select the NSF files. Click Open. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. Click Next. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive an export completion message. Click the View Logs button to see the export operation details. Now, launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free NSF to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.